In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Messenger ringtone on iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option of customizing the ringtone for Messenger on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. You will be able to change the ringtone whenever you receive any sort of call, and you can also customize the text notification sound. So if you want to customize the ringtone, what you will notice is that if you go into the Messenger app on any iPhone model and you access the menu at the top left, you go into the settings by tapping this icon and you access the notifications and sounds category. The only option that you will find related to sounds is going to be text tone. So basically, through the Messenger app itself, you will only be able to change the text notification. This is going to be true for any iPhone model, and there is no way around this. So if all you want to do is change the text tone, change it from here. However, if you want to change the tone whenever you receive a call, so essentially the ringtone, what you have to do is change the ringtone, which is set by default on your iPhone's settings. So instead of opening the Messenger app, go into the default settings on your iPhone. Inside, access the sounds and haptics category. And now you will be able to find the ringtone options. So basically, whenever you receive a call on Messenger or any other app, it is going to use the ringtone that is set as default here. So all that you have to do is, instead of changing this through the Messenger app settings, change it through the settings on your iPhone. And upon changing the ringtone that is set by default here, you will listen to it whenever you receive a call on Messenger or any other application. So all that you have to do, instead of changing it through notifications and sounds, is to change it through the sounds and haptics settings on your iPhone. And it is going to be reflected across Messenger or any other application whenever you receive a call. For Android devices, you will be able to change both the text and ringtone whenever you go into the settings inside of the Messenger app, but not for iPhone. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Messenger ringtone on iPhone 15 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.